And now it's about time para purihin po naman natin ang ating mga graduates. May we request our graduates to stand up.
May we present to you the graduates of the Mabini Academy for the school year 2010-2011.
Winners. Third place, Jess Mendoza.
Nakasali siya doon.
Second place, Cesar Benedict Garcia. And the first place, Johnny May Bukayan. Thank you very much, Mrs. Dimayuga. Now, may we call on the advisors of the EXAM, Mrs. Maria Cristina Plata and Mr. Arnold Evangelista. And our journalist awardee is Jonathan T. Ibuna.
Mr. Jonathan T. Ibuna is the editor-in-chief of the EXAM. Of the EXAM.
Mr. Arnold Evangelista.
We will have the Filipino Department Award. May we call on Mrs. Violeta Huerto, head.
And our Chief Girl Scout Evangelist is Mary Claudine M. Makasayan.
The Girl Scout of the Philippines presents the Chief Girl Scout Medal to Mary Claudine M. Makasaet of the Lipas City Girl Scout Council for having fulfilled with perseverance, dedication, and zeal what every Filipino Girl Scout dreams to achieve, the highest ideal of Girl Scouting service through the Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme, considering this more of a challenge for rendering greater service than a required task, for having developed a sense of responsibility toward herself and her community, working determinedly on the Ecology Development Project, for having exemplified the Girl Scout promise and law in her day-to-day activities at home, in school, and in the community, given the 6th day of February 2011 at the Function Room 3 SMX Convention Center, Cecil Lane, Mall of Asia Complex, Pasay City. Signed, Susan R. Longsin, National Program Committee Chairman. Salud A. Bagalso, National President. Ma Dolores T. Santiago, National Executive Director.
Our best in band, Ray Paulo M. Carpio. Thank you very much, Miss Yolanda Gilana. Now we shall have the Science Department Award.
May we call on Miss Rosel S. Ramirez, the head of the Science Department.
The second place, Micah Solomon.
Is sponsored by the Rotary Club. To hand out the Academic Youth Award.
The next is the Lyceum of the Philippines to the class tutorial, Ladle Pagkaliwanggan. Ray Paulo Carpio.
Philippines University of Laguna Award of Academic Excellence. Ladle Pagkaliwanggan, class salute.
Academic Excellence. And the awards are and Ray Paulo Santos Laguna Scholarship Grant. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream. Not only plan, but also believe. A goal that perfectly fits the this batch of 2011 graduates. He dreamed, planned, acted, and believed in himself. Thus, he accomplished great things. Ladies and gentlemen, to challenge the graduates, the class valedictorian, Ray Paulo Carpio.
Mr. Benjamin Katipak, Mr. Chudara Katipak Jr., Miss Violeta Melendez, Mrs. Beatriz Navarro, teachers, parents, guests, and fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. This graduation teaches me the value of gratitude. It is a fact that standing in front of you in this very moment, is a testimony of how I have been helped by people who unselfishly extended